My skin feels so soft and smooth and hydrated. I love this feeling. Hey babes! So today I'm going to show you how to make your very own all-natural homemade face mask using just two simple ingredients, avocados and honey. That's it. This is going to be completely nourishing for your skin and it's going to give you such a natural, healthy glow. So this face mask you can actually do on a daily basis. If your skin is super dry and you need to rehydrate it, it's completely safe to do daily. However, I like to do it about once a week just for that extra nourishment because I use a lot of oils and moisturizers on my skin, so my skin's not too dry. So I like to do it once a week, but it's totally fine to do it more than that. So honey is actually a great facial cleanser. Due to its antibacterial and clarifying components, it's amazing to use for acne-prone skin and for unclogging your pores. Honey is jam-packed with antioxidants, it's very moisturizing, and due to its emollient factors, it actually helps lock in the moisture, keeping your skin hydrated and moisturized. Now, avocados are loaded with vitamin E, healthy fats, and antioxidants to keep the skin smooth. So a combination of these two will do wonders for your skin, locking in all the moisture and hydration that your skin needs while clearing out the pores and getting rid of all the dirt and all the unwanted stuff from your skin. So it's amazing. I really promise you that it is amazing. So let me show you how it's done. So to make the face scrub, you just need two simple ingredients. So the first one is pure honey and some avocado, and then just a plate or a little bowl to mix it up in. You'll need a fork to smash it all up. Now, this is not a must, it's just a brush to apply the face mask. I personally like to use a brush, but you don't have to, you can just use your fingers. So just get the avocado. And then you get some honey. Now I'm using a spoon to scoop the honey out. And then you mix them all together. So you want just a thick texture like this, and just keep mashing it up. So here's the face mask. So you just have to apply it all over your face, like this. Whoop. Now, don't worry if you get any in your mouth because you can eat it. The texture is so smooth. I just dropped some on myself. Okay, so because this is a rejuvenating mask, You can leave this on for as long as you like. So it's an intense moisturization. You can leave it on for as long as you like. I would say minimum at least 20 to 30 minutes, just so you can get the full benefits from the face mask. So yeah, just go watch a movie, read a book, do whatever you like to do in your downtime. And I'm just gonna go do that. I'm gonna go watch something, chill, wash it off, and then we'll look at the end result. So I just washed the face mask off, and check this. My skin feels so soft and smooth and hydrated. I love this feeling. So don't forget to moisturize. For nighttime, it's safe to use oils and stuff, so while you're sleeping, your skin can fully moisturize and absorb all the nutrients from the oils. So I personally like to use oils on a nightly basis, but yeah, moisturizers, oils, whatever you prefer, before you go to sleep. It's always important after you wash your face just to reapply the moisture that you may have lost when you washed your face. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this face mask in the comments below. I hope to see you again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe.